Now we are going to go through lesson 8, loops with Scrat. So in this section, I think the question will be around loops. And to recap a bit, on the left you're going to have your problem, and on the right workspace where we can code. So here we have our Scrat here, and we have to program it to go eat that Akron, right? So cool. So we're going to go 1 east, 2 east, 3 east, 4 east, and 5 east. So we can program like this. So there's no limitation, right? So we can do 2, 3, 4, 5. We can do this, or we can do this, right? So if you remember previous lessons, you remember we can use this block, repeat block, and then it will repeat these things, whatever we put in there, that many times. So we can delete this and attach that, and then run. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, well done. All right, let's continue. Go to the next one. So now use both west and south blocks to get the Akron. So you can use both. Yeah. So our Scrat is here, so we need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So use repeat west. How many times? 5 times. And then after here we are 1, 2 times south. So south we could write like this, that's fine, or we can use this repeat block, but since there's only 2 blocks, it's not gonna make difference. So let's just do this. Let's press run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2 south. Well done. Okay, next one. Oh, there's a video, so if you want to watch this, you can watch this, but it's simply going to introduce you to loop, what we did before, and it's going to say how it works. So yeah, watch this video. So I'm going to continue, and we'll do the next challenge. So interesting bit starts from here. See, when it says 1 here, that means you can only use this block once. So like suppose if I use this now, this is going to be 0, so I can use the north or whatever block we have here only once. So let's see, can you get to the Akron with just 1 west block, right? So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can use west only once, right? But luckily you have this repeat. So you repeat west 5 times, so you use 3 block out of 3. Let's do run. Awesome, well done. Cool. We go to the next challenge. So it's the same. We add 1 more block to get Scrat all the way to the Akron. So we can only add 1 more block, right? Because they already used 4 blocks, we have room for 1. So let's see what this code is doing. So this code is making Scrat go east 4 times. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 4 times, the Scrat will be here. So we need to go south. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you already repeat here. 4 is here. We just need to figure out. We need to go south. And that's 5 out of 5. Press run. Go east, finish, and then now we're going south. Awesome. Well done. Going to the next block. Next challenge. All right, so can you add a loop to get to the Akron? Okay, so it's already going east and then going south. And where do we need to go? We need to go west. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's see what the code is doing right now. So if we highlight it, so the first block is going east 4 times. So going east 4 times, right? And now change the color. And then with this block is going south 4 times. So now we are here at the end of this code. We are here, so we need to go west 1 2 3 4 times. So if I take a different color, we go west 4 times. So this bit what we need to code. So let's clear this up, and then so we know we need to go 4 times, and then we need to go west. Okay, so we got 7 out of 7. Let's run. Awesome. Cool. So next one, number 7. Alright, so we have 7 blocks, right? Scrat really wants that icon, so we need to make him go. So since we can only use once this block, so we need to use repeat, right? So let's figure out how many times. Figure out which first, so it's south, and then how many times? 1 2 3 4 times. So the Scrat will be here, and then needs to go west 1 2 3 4 times. After this code, he'll be here, and then you need to go north 1 2 3 4 times. So another repeat, another north, and then 4 already there. We have 7 out of 7. Now let's run. 3 4, and then west 4 2 3 4. And the north 1 2 3 4. Awesome, well done. Okay, so we go to the next one. So we already have 9 out of 9, and then the question is, can you fix this code? So that means this code has a bug, right? Remember we talked about bug before, and then now we need to debug it. So debugging is to find the bug in the code. So yeah, before doing anything, let's run the code and then see where the bug is, right? So run the code. It's gonna east 1 2 3, and then go north 1 2 3. But it's not there yet, right? It can't go west because it has to go north more than 3. Okay, let's fix this. It's got 3 1 2 3 4 5. You actually need to go 5 times. Okay, so you do reset and then run. I think that was the bug, but let's see. 1 2 3 4. I didn't do 5, I did 4. Oh my god. Okay, so north actually 5. Why you guys didn't tell me? How can you tell me? All right, let's run again. And that's the process. That's okay. It's okay to make the mistake, and you learn from your mistake and fix your mistake. 3 4, and then go 1 2 3 4. Awesome, that worked. All right, go to the next one. The icon is so far. Okay, we can use only 9 blocks, right? So let's make him go. Since we have only one, we can only use 1 time, right? So take a repeat, then find which direction. So it's going east, and then how many times? It's 1 2 3 4 5 times, 5 times, and then will be south. So put south, and then how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 times, already there. And then it's gonna be west 1 2 3 times. So west 3 times, and then it's gonna be north 1 2 3 times. So going north 3 times, north, and see how we used 9 out of 9. So that's a good sign, right? Let's run it. 2 3 4 5, and then 5. Let's see how it highlights here. when it's actually running the code. That's pretty cool. You can tell which one is running. Awesome. Continue. Ooh, challenge. All right, let's give it a try. I am ready. Okay, so we can use only 11 blocks, right? Okay, so let's do, okay, we need to go south, right? And then let's see how many blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there. And then we need to go west. 1, 2 times. Okay, 2 times west. And then we are here. We need to go north. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 5 times north, and then we need to go west 1, 2 times again. So 2 times west. We are here, and then we need to go south 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times again. So we do south. Okay, south 5 times, right? This sounds good. 11 out of 11. Let's run it. Right. West 2 and then south 5 times. Awesome. Give yourself a pat. You did the challenge. Well done. That's a tough one. Okay, so we got 9 blocks. Now we need to get the background. Same story. Okay, so let's follow the formula. We try to find out which way first. So luckily we don't have any numbers here, so we have more freedom here. But let's use the repeat thing, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we are going west 4, and then we're going on north 1, 2. So I'm going to use repeat, but it doesn't, this is the same, right? It's the 2 blocks, so you can either use this or you can use repeat. And then we go east 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I'm gonna definitely use block for this 4 times, and then we go north 1, 2. Yeah, let's use repeat for this one. But it's actually same. When you have 2 blocks, you're not saving any block, right? You're actually making it complicated to see. All right, so 9 out of 9 on it. 2, and then you go east 4 times, and then north 4 times. Awesome, well done. So I think that's the last one. Ooh, we did really well. And infinity block. Alright, so it doesn't matter how many blocks you use. Okay. Alright, so let's take the easiest route, right? So we repeat this. Now let's see if we can do some pattern. Nah. Can do this up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah, we can do this. Okay, what I'm thinking, let me draw. Let's do the easy one first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So use 5 times east, 5 times, and then you go how many times north? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again. 5 times north. So you used 5 blocks, right? Let's run it. See the mistake, I didn't change the number. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the north 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So we're gonna try it again. So to replay, I'm gonna reset it. Let's see what other pattern we can find. So what I'm thinking is maybe we can go this. So go 1 up, and then 1, right, like this. If I do this, is a pattern, right? So if we go, okay, so you go 1 north and 1 east. So how many times you need to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, right? So here we used 5, suppose 5 blocks or 5 lines of code. Let's see what we can we reduce the number or not. So we go north and east, right, 5 times. So I'm gonna delete this, we go north, east 5 times. So only 4, right? Let's run it. Seems like he's going there. Cool, awesome. So we minimized 1 block. So that was fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.